Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're tackling a name that's iconic in the world of fashion. Pierre Cardin. Looks elegant, sounds fancy, but how do you say it correctly? Let's find out. Correct pronunciation is Pierre Cardin with a soft nasal ending. Let's break it down step by step. Pierre, say Pierre with a soft R like in French. It's not Pierre or Pierre. Cardin, say Cardin with a soft nasal N at the end, not Cardin like in English. Now say it with me. Pierre Cardin. One more time. Pierre Cardin. Great job. So, who is Pierre Cardin? Pierre Cardin was a legendary French fashion designer known for his futuristic and avant-garde designs. His brand became famous for bold, geometric shapes and innovative styles that changed fashion forever. Did you know? Pierre Cardin was also a pioneer in branding. He was one of the first designers to license his name to products beyond clothing, from furniture to perfumes. So when you hear Pierre Cardin, think of high fashion, innovation, and timeless style. Now the spelling tip, it's spelled Pierrecardin. Just remember, Pierre is a classic French first name, and Cardin has that silent N at the end. Now that you've got it, you can say Pierre Cardin like a true fashion expert. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves fashion and languages. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.